Everyone is welcome to my channel. Today I am making a snack for tea time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe. Well, let's make the snack now. If you don't have a machine, you can use a whisk. First put 300 grams of eggs and sugar 300 grams. Stir until well formed. Add a little orange color food coloring. Then the color is very beautiful. Stop the machine and add 300 grams of flour. Add the skin of 2 grated oranges. Mix little and add 300 grams of melted butter. Mix little. I use Madeleine mold. If you don't have it, you can use a paper cup. I spray this pan coating spray. It is easy to remove the Madeleine after using this spray. If you use paper cup, don't need this. Use the piping bag. Put in this quantity. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. You can see the soft. Your snack is ready. Thanks for watching.